Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coin again. CEO of Google admits that Shiba Inu can be burned. Get ready to leave your job forever. The Shib news. Just hours after the failure of Silicon Valley Bank threatened the survival of the majority of digital businesses, hundreds of SXSW attendees poured into a tranquil sanctuary on Monday. A digital setting with a distinctive memorial to the Shiba Inu breed of Japanese hunting dogs set against a backdrop of windswept bamboo and cherry trees. The Wagmi Temple is a "It's going to be okay, everyone," to paraphrase the crypto slogan. As a diversion from collapsing financial institutions, it revealed the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency's creator's vision for the metaverse. It has been confirmed by Google's CEO that Shiba Inu can burn. We'll discuss this in this video. Get ready to leave your job forever. The Shib news. If you want to watch more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. It's inevitable that bank runs like the one that happened last Friday will decentralize crypto. The shrouded man known only as Satoshi Kusama communicates with the Quick firm via Google Meet. He is the shrouded developer of the Shiba Inu dog breed. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot while turning off his camera. He is now authorizing the fractional reserves of banks, and as more and more individuals come to this realization and opt to diversify, the number of adoptions worldwide rises by 5%. People ask, what is this Shib thing after that? And they discover just how incredible we are. That is not to say that some individuals are unaware. Although there is currently a small but dedicated group of Web3 advocates on Twitter, Shib has the potential to garner the most devoted fan base among crypto degens. Though it began as a hoax notion to create a Dogecoin killer token to dethrone Dogecoin, another meme-based token, the Shib army has been nothing short of dedicated since its inception 2.5 years ago. They team up and use social media to bootstrap a Shiba Inu into what was once a top 10 cryptocurrency with a $44 billion market worth. The Shiba Inu universe has grown since its inception thanks to the decentralized trading platform ShibaSwap and a set of 10,000 pixelated Shiba Inu avatars with unique accessories like pirate hats and pizza slices. Prior to forming a deal with the Canadian luggage manufacturer Bugatti, Shiba Inu garnered support from Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin and crypto influencer Elon Musk. In addition to having 3.6 million followers on crypto Twitter, the meme crowd's playful trolling has developed into a powerful force, with users threatening to raise the Shib hashtag to new heights and using hashtags like ShibArmstrong and HailShib. The year 2022. Globally, it ranked as the third most Googled cryptocurrency. Now it's taking a giant leap forward with Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain. It debuted in beta last week alongside some new tokens in anticipation of its flagship metaverse, Shib the Metaverse. John Richmond, a rock and roll fashion designer, will be the first virtual storefront to open in this metaverse. Shib intends to use it to transcend its status as a meme coin. Part of the charm of the Shiba Inu comes from its strange mythos. Even before his summertime internet disappearance, its creator, Ryoshi, was shrouded in secrecy. He has permanently removed his comically feline-shaped avatar from the Discord servers. However, he left behind some evidence. After the currency attracted 6,000 wallets, Satoshi joined the roadmap that Ryoshi had left behind. However, scented skyrocketing had been following ever since, prior to Musk's statements. It is also unknown how much money Shib has. The money from the sale of Shiboshi NFTs goes somewhere else, according to Satoshi, whereas the money from the sale of Metaverse land plots goes towards developing the Metaverse. The team has not yet made a decision about Leash and Bones tokenomics or retained ownership. They wouldn't say whether they collect a percentage of ShibaSwap's fees. Investors have been hesitant to back them. A term that appears innumerable times in interviews, tweets, and blog posts is community, yet it is Shib's biggest boast. According to Marcy Jastrow, who is the lead advisor for Shib Metaverse, in an interview with Fast Company, the Shib Army's feedback is being taken into consideration. The group contracted with a company to build it using the Unreal Engine. No creative director, though. Before making several iterations of colorizations, 3D renderings, and tweaks, they create concept art in black and white. They then post the drafts on a blog and monitor social media for feedback. An untamed fantasy area teeming with grazing deer and outdoor yoga, the Wagmi Temple is the first of 11 zones in development. Other metaverses, including Decentraland, are also home to that community. Usually viewed as rivalry, the sandbox is actually Yuga Labs' other side. However, according to Jastrow, the pioneers of a space as new and revolutionary as the metaverse must work together. Compared to so long as everyone came out on top, she explains. A functional headset was our only concern. During the crypto winter, when venture capital investment is at a standstill and survival feels more ruthless than ever, it could feel overly nice. However, Jastrow is not altogether incorrect. Every metaverse has a hard time convincing people to live in Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2, so what works for one may not work for another. Meta is currently more concerned with artificial intelligence than the metaverse, notwithstanding Mark Zuckerberg's advocacy for Horizon Worlds. After Facebook's metaverse subsidiary lost $13.3 billion in 2022, Mark Zuckerberg staked the company's reputation on this idea. The decentralized network has 8,000 daily active users, despite being likely the pioneer in the area, while Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was selling for 60 cents on the dollar at the end of last year. A number of metaverse currencies have experienced price drops of up to 80%. Presently, Shiba Inu's market capitalization is at $6 billion thanks to its total of $589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of $0.00000 ZIN, assuming the token were to reach a value of $1 each, but continuing with the prior speculation, this would indicate a staggering implicit valuation of $589 trillion, which would surpass even the global domestic product. The most recent news on Shiba Inu keeps making headlines. Many people are interested in investing in Shiba Inus because of the large returns they might potentially achieve. There is a growing network of Shiba Inu owners and dealers to meet the rising demand. Naturally, any prudent investor will understand that reaching such a price requires significant decreases in supply. The low price and great potential returns of this unique cryptocurrency driven by millennials, meanwhile, are attracting many crypto aficionados. At the time of writing, the price of Shib, the token that powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, was $0.00000Z. Early in March, the price of Shiba Inus bounced back from a vital falling trendline support, suggesting that a shift to the north was imminent. After breaking out in January and rising 96% to a new annual high of $0.00006 by early February, Shib then corrected to $0.00000Z. Shiba Inu still has a few things to do before investors can declare a new bull market, even though it has jumped by double digits in the past day. With a market valuation of $6.6 million, the second most popular meme coin is now trading at $0.000001120. Shiba Inu's trading volume jumped by 30% in the past 24 hours, reaching $321 million. This suggests that investors are building up their holdings in anticipation of a larger price movement in the near future. At present, however, price movement below $0.0001126 is capped by the 100-day exponential moving average. In order to maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, Shib must break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators, such as moving average convergence divergence, show a resolute bullish front, even though there is immediate resistance. The MACD produced a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart following the dump of Shiba Inu and the market as a whole caused by the failure of Silicon Valley Bank. The MACD's buy signal on the 4-hour chart is being maintained, but this time it is staying above the mean line. In anticipation of the Federal Reserve's decision on a potential interest rate hike on March 22nd, buyers are adamant about retaining the acquired gains, particularly amid this week's recovery. On the 4-hour chart, the price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day exponential moving average $0.0000000. On the daily chart, the 100-day exponential moving average EMA serves as the immediate resistance, confirmation of intact support, and the absence of obstacles to an upward trajectory could be achieved with a daily closing above $0.0000010. We are finished for the day. To view our most recent content, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.